Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to recover your hacked Epic Games account. In this video, I will show you how to change and reset your password and how to recover your account if the hacker changed your email or phone number. Head down to the description or comment section to view the timestamps. Let's go. To change your password, click on your profile at the top right and click Account. Then click Password and Security. And then 2FA will be required, so click Continue. And then you want to check your email for the 2FA code. Be sure the email comes from help@account.epicgames.com and copy the code and paste it into the window and click Continue. And then you want to scroll down, and here under Change Your Password you can click Change Password, and then you can type in your current password and your new password and click Confirm. If you're logged out, you can try to access Epic Games from another device or browser that you already may be logged into. And if you connected any of these platforms on your screen now to your Epic Games account, you can try to log in via them as well. And if you're unable to log in, then you would need to reset your password. To reset your password, click on Forgot Password. And then you want to enter in your email address and click Continue. And then you want to complete the CAPTCHA. And then you want to check your inbox for the 6-digit code. So the code once again should come from help@account.epicgames.com. And here you can copy in the code and paste it in and click Continue. Then you can type in your new password and click Create Password. If you can't find your account information, then you would need to go to the next recovery step. If your email was changed and you have no other way of recovering your account through the change password or the reset password method, you want to go to the login screen again and you want to click Forgot Password. And then you want to type in your email address as you usually would and click Continue. And you should get an error saying we could not find your account. So now you want to click here, Recover Your Account. And you want to click Continue again. Your email address should already be pre-filled here. And then do the CAPTCHA again. And then you want to click here, Continue Account Recovery. Here you will need to enter in more details about your account so they can verify you're actually the owner. And then click Start Account Recovery. And then you want to enter in the new email address you want to use for your Epic Games account. This can also be the email address that was previously linked to your account. And click Continue. And then you want to enter in the 6-digit code that they have sent to the email address that you provided. And then you want to click Continue. And then you want to go ahead and find your account. So you can either provide your account ID if you know it, an invoice ID. You can check your email for any receipts from Epic Games about maybe any purchases typically there's invoice IDs in those. Or you can provide your email address, display name, or a connected account that is connected to your Epic Games account. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'll just use an email address and click continue. Okay, and now it says we found your account. And then they want to make sure that I provide more details to make sure that it's me. So it will ask me if I ever changed email on my account. I'll just say no and click continue. You just answer the questions based off of your situation. Same thing with your display name. If you know it, you can provide it here. It'll give you a better case for getting your account back. And then you can answer the question here too. And then you want to also answer these questions about your Epic Games account. So the first name, last name, and country on the account. And then just click continue after you fill out all your information. Mark. And then it will ask you if you ever connected any accounts to your Epic Games account. So if you click yes, it will ask you to connect them. But if you haven't, just click no and click continue. And same thing with purchases you made using your card or PayPal. If you click yes, you'll need to provide those payment methods. And if you're not sure or you don't, or if you never did, click here and then continue again. And then at the end of all of this, you can view your request form. And in the anything else section, you can put the format that I have in the description and tweak it to your specific situation to give yourself a better case. And once you're done, you can click submit and you can wait for a response from Epic Games support. Here are some tips on securing your Epic Games account. Secure your email. Verify that the email or phone number on the account belong to you. Use different and strong passwords across all sites. Enable 2FA. Go to settings and sign out of everywhere and revoke any suspicious third-party apps or third-party logins. If you follow the steps in this video and still having trouble with your account, we do offer free account recovery help to assist you through the account recovery process and secure your account. For more severe cases, we also provide multi-account recovery help for comprehensive support with hacks affecting multiple accounts. You can book an appointment using the link below or visit the website on your screen to recover and secure your account today. We will never ask for any personal account information or passwords. We just guide you through the recovery process. Thanks for watching. Stay secure.